Oh, that looks delicious, doesn't it? Feel free to dip me chutney, love.
I don't think I got yours on the menu. I think I got yours off the main menu.
You don't think what?
I think I got yours off the main menu, not the...
Not the fiver one.
I said the fiver one.
Yeah.
Maybe that's
Gorgeous
right.
though, doesn't it?
I know, but yeah.
So the one in Thingy where we went, it's just to take us out.
Is it? No, we're going to go down.
I'm going to say to you, that's huge.